Hey folks, big rain in parts of the valley earlier today. That has since moved out. We'll look at the Doppler estimated rainfall totals in the next half hour. In the meantime, here's where we stand right now. 88 in Port Isabel, 91 Harlingen and Raymondville, 92 in Weslaco. McAllen checks in at 93. And if you add the humidity, that's what it feels like. It feels like 108 in the west, feels like 107 in the east. Everybody else a little bit cooler than that, but boy, dew points are up quite a bit in Brownsville, so it feels even hotter than most of the rest of the valley, even though the actual temperature is cooler. Overnight tonight, we all bottom out around 80 or so, maybe upper 70s in a few places, so a very warm and muggy night again. And then tomorrow, look at these highs. Up in record territory, 100 plus in the western half of the valley, upper 90s in the mid to lower valley, and then about 85 at the beach tomorrow afternoon. The normal average high across the valley is 95, and we're going to be at 101, 102, 101, and those will tie or break records if we get there. So it looks like some very warm temperatures for the mid to latter part of June on tap for us. This is what it's looked like today. Watch those showers and thunder showers fire up across Cameron County, parts of Willacy County earlier. Now some high clouds coming in. There's been some rain off to the west of us in Mexico, and the tops of those clouds being pushed over the valley tonight. Future track suggests the rest of the night's quiet. During the daytime tomorrow, tries to print out something on the sea breeze. Going to be hard to find. If there's something out there, it'll be very, very isolated. Wednesday, nothing at all likely. In fact, we're going with a dry forecast pretty much all week long. You look at Thursday, partly to mostly sunny again as a ridge builds in and takes control of things. So your chances of rain are pretty close to zero, pretty close. If anything, tomorrow could be one leftover shower before things change a little bit. Rest of South Texas, 99 in Laredo right now. San Antonio, cooler at 88. So is Houston, 89 at Victoria. Corpus Christi checks in at 92 degrees. Pushback, look at the rest of the state. You know, for mid-June, only 86 in Dallas, 89 in San Angelo. It could be a lot hotter than that. It will be a lot hotter than that, but at least for today, the clouds and yesterday's showers helping keep temperatures a little bit cooler across a lot of the state. Still tracking some stuff well to the west of us. And again, there you see the high clouds pushing into our region. The rain's all the way over in the mountains, but that's upper level winds pushing the rain, or the clouds rather, in this direction. But there's just no features on the surface weather map to get anywhere near here anymore. Front to the north stays north. Our southeast wind will continue. Upper atmosphere, a big ridge or a dome of warm weather aloft kind of builds in, and what that does is squash the rain chances. So we just don't see much the rest of this week or into the weekend as the fronts all stay away. Nothing in the tropics right now, both the Atlantic and the Pacific, very, very quiet. So at least tropically, we hope it stays that way for a while. At the coast, winds out of the south 5 to 15 knots, a moderate chop. UV is extreme. And then you can see that the surf temperature is 80 right now. There's your high and low tide for tomorrow. So your first 1 5 AccuWeather, the forecast for tonight looks this way: 80 for a low. 80 for a low. Partly cloudy and warm southeast winds, and tomorrow up to 101. Partly sunny skies and very, very warm across the region. Almost everybody from about Harlingen westward probably going over 100. East of that, still pretty close. 101, 102, 101. Still 100 Friday, and then summer can finally start. And look at that, 98, 97, 98. Nighttime lows, though, every night right around 80 or so. Not much chance of rain anytime soon unless we see a change in the pattern. That's your updated First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast.